If you're a barbershop owner, give me a few minutes. What actually changed my life behind the chair wasn't a tool, and it wasn't working harder. It was having someone else be in my business with me, holding me accountable to actually fix the things what needed fixing. That's what I do for other owners now, and before I tell you anything else, I want you to check something with me first. Okay, so let's do a quick gut check here and be brutally honest, because this decides whether the rest of this video is even worth you watching it. Are you actually trying to get more clients through the door, but you just don't know how? Are you trying to build a team you can trust, but can't ever find the right people to fit inside your business? Are you trying to spend less time behind the chair and more time actually working on the business and not just inside of it? Have you opened a chair rental shop thinking you'd keep 100% of your income, but then realized chair renters are not the right business model for you to scale a business? Or are you trying to install something so your shop runs whether you're stood in it or not, but you don't have a clue where to start? If any of those hit hard, then you are in the right place. Here's the truth: most owners do not want to say out loud. What you actually want isn't more Instagram followers or a fancier shop set up in your business. It's the thing that I've already got, being able to choose to walk out of my shops for weeks and months at a time, and they still run and give me a passive income. Now, don't think that's me taking the piss. It's the actual outcome underneath every one of those 5 things that I've just asked you about. That's why it's important that I just asked you them. This is genuinely the last video you need to watch to answer one question honestly. Are you ready for what you keep saying that you want, or are you comfortable enough behind that chair in the same business, running it the way that it's running now? You've probably already tried the obvious fixes: more ads, discounting on a quiet Tuesday, and hiring that unicorn Instagram famous barber who's meant to fix everything on their own, posting more on social media hoping the algorithm loves you and it doesn't, but none of it stuck. Not because you did something wrong, that's because none of it was ever the actual problem. I even bet my last fucking pound note that you are probably the best skilled barber in your shop. Now, that was never the issue. The real issue is the money leaking in the gaps and the systems that you're running that you can't see because you're too close to them. The client that never got rebooked, the DM you saw at 11 at night and meant to reply to but didn't, and the week you didn't post because you were on the floor all day cutting hair like an employee instead of a business owner. That's 3 different symptoms, the same bullshit leak that's coming out of it. Now, most owners think the fix is hiring better or marketing harder, and I can tell you it's neither. You can be fully booked on your feet for 12 hours a day and still not be the one that's actually running the business. That is the fucking trap. And here's exactly how I get my clients out of that trap. Month 1 starts with getting everything about your business out of your head and onto paper. That's the staff, the hires, the shit, the money, even the personal stuff that's bleeding into how the shop's actually running, because 99% of the time I find out that it always is. This is not a stupid Google form, it's a proper download, and it'll be downloaded direct into my system. From that, I build you a custom tailored plan, the one that actually I would run if it was my shop with the same issues you're facing that actually need fixing. We go through it together across 4 calls in the first month. 1 is to hand you the actual game plan, and then 3 more weekly to get you moving, and more importantly, to get your arse in gear and executing on the things that need to be done. After that, from month 2, it's every 2 weeks on a call, plus WhatsApp check-ins when you need them for as long as we're working together. There's no long contracts locking you in. If it's not worth it to you, 30 days notice and you're out, no questions asked. Now look, I probably know what you're thinking right now. Jay, you don't understand my shop. I'm already holding this place together with what I've got on my plate right now. Now, that's fair enough, but this isn't generic coaching. This is not another course. It starts with your business specifically, everything about it on paper with me, and then the plan that comes out the other end is built for your actual scenario. There's no template that every owner gets. Now, you're not adding extra work to your week. You're handing me the download so I can go back and build you the plan to fix it that fits your current schedule. I've been through every fucking scenario out there with problems in barbershops, believe that. I've got 14 of my own and 52 staff members, plus I run other companies around the world, so I know a thing or two about what shit happens in the barber industry. The reason I know I can help you is because I've probably solved your problem 100 times at some stage in my own career, in one of my businesses, or for one of my ongoing clients. Now, when I sat down with Ian and mapped out what was actually going on in his business, the gap turned out to be a structure problem and leadership problem. Almost 10K followers on Instagram, 50 clients in 6 days of one ad campaign, leadership and delegation was installed. What happens? 12 months later, Ian now lives in Turkey full time, and through my coaching alone has made an extra 150K profit, and we've just opened up his second shop. When I worked with Sabbs from Australia, who wasn't even a barber but wanted to open one, we launched his barbershop, Wise Guys. Now the simple gap with that was capacity and knowledge. We took his 2 barbers to 6, made sure his complete fit out was paid back, and 30K a month revenue inside 3 months is a pretty good ROI to me. So he did pretty good. They were 2 different businesses, 2 completely different plans tailored to their exact needs. And the number on the screen isn't really the outcome either. It was Ian not checking his phone at 11 at night out of guilt anymore. It was Sabbs taking his family for a summer-long trip to Europe. And the diary and systems we installed running the shop without him stood inside of it, giving him a passive income. As I said, I run 14 shops, 52 staff between them, and I'm recording this from my office in Prague right now because they don't need me stood in them to keep them running. This is the actual proof that this works, because I'm the first person that this had to fucking work for. In month 1, your deposit's paid and you get the business download, your custom plan, and the first 4 calls to execute with me. After that, it's just a monthly fee to continue with no contract. All you got to do is give 30 days notice. I'm not like the rest of them out there. Here's what all of this actually costs you though, when you break it down in terms of business execution. Literally 1 extra chair rented out or 1 extra commission barber pulling their weight covers what we will do inside your business before we've even touched anything else. At the point when you figure that out, it's not really a cost. It's the cheapest problem you'll ever have to fix. As I said, there's no long contract or commitment. It's 30 days notice at any time if it's not working for you. But keep in mind that my average client works for me for 8 months and then they just don't need me anymore because they've got to where they want to be. Some stay for longer, like Ian, and we scale hard and we go into another shop or investment. Some leave and then come back later on down the line figuring out they want more. But I can tell you that it's not for you if you're not an actual shop owner or you're not willing to actually run the plan once you've got it. I'll tell you straight on the call if it isn't a fit. Now, I will be the one on all sales calls and I choose who I work with for that reason. So the next step is just to make a call. Now, I'll have a look at your shop and your actual answers to those 5 questions above, and I'll tell you straight whether this fixes whatever you're watching this video for or not. The version of this where you figure it out alone is the version where you still having the same conversation with yourself in 1 year's time, stuck behind that same chair with the same problems you're facing now. I definitely don't want that to happen to you, and neither should you. So now let's get on with it and book a time below, and let's have a proper look at what's going on together. I will see some of you who've watched this on the call. I appreciate your time. Have a lovely day. Peace and love.